If you're trying to gain weight, you should be checking out this smoothie recipe that I'm about to share with you. It's a simple one, and if you're somebody like me who has a very high metabolism, you should be trying out this kind of recipe. I'll be using oats, dates as my sweetener. I've soaked the date, I've removed the seed, I've soaked it, and it's already very, very soft as you can see. If you're in a hurry, you can soak it with hot water, and I'll be using fresh banana and milk. You can replace this milk with Greek yogurt. Either of the two works, and I'll be using this smoothie maker that I got from Arab stores. I'll be tagging the handle in the description box. You should check them out. It's a very straightforward recipe, super duper easy. If you have everything you need at home, it's going to take you less than 10 minutes to fix up. If you do not have dates, you can use dates powder and you can use honey. Now let's prep the smoothie. I'm going to be using oats like I mentioned earlier, and I'm going to be toasting my oats. If you do not want to toast your oats, you can take it like that. I just prefer to toast it a little bit. So I'll put it in a pan and then I'll toast or roast it for a few minutes. If you are new on this channel, my name is Titi Layo and I share recipes, business ideas, and business conversations and lifestyle here and there. Now the oats is already toasted. You can see that the color has changed and we're ready to go. I allow it to cool down, but if I'm in a hurry sometimes I just add ice. So I have my dates now. I'm going to pour everything inside my smoothie maker. Like I said, it's a pretty easy recipe to put together. I'm going to be using the date water, this water that I used to soak the date, because it's going to be a bit sweet. I'm going to use it alongside the dates as well. So I'll add dates, I'll add my oats, and then I'll add peeled bananas. So after adding the bananas, I'll measure my milk and I'll add the milk inside. If I really want to take it immediately, I'll add ice or cold water and then I'll blend away. Make sure that you are using your gadget carefully. I always say this, use it and give it time to rest. For this one, you cannot work on its own. You have to keep pressing and pressing. So I press and release. And then once it's ready, I bottle it. This is like my favorite water bottle. I take everything inside this my water bottle. Um if it's not cold or I'm not ready to take it, I'll put it in the fridge and I'll keep on taking it at intervals. Sometimes this is what I take for breakfast if I'm in a hurry or rushing to the studio. I take this immediately, and sometimes to just be my lunch, and sometimes it be like my snack. So if you are looking at adding weight, gaining weight, and you have very high metabolism, just like me, you should try out this recipe and give me your feedback once you do. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.